India's online gaming industry, worth over $3.5 billion, is set for a big revamp. The government has introduced draft rules under the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act 2025. Here's a full breakdown. The act bans real money games like poker, rummy, and fantasy sports. These games involve wagers, stakes, or cash prizes and are now prohibited across India. Many operators have already ceased operations ahead of enforcement. Banks are exempt from liability when facilitating refunds of old deposits. Esports will be regulated by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Social games, those with no monetary rewards, don't need registration, but companies can apply voluntarily. A new body, the Online Gaming Authority of India, will oversee regulation. It will maintain a national online social games and esports registry, publish a list of banned money games, act as a digital office, hearing complaints and imposing penalties. An appellate authority will handle challenges to its orders. Game providers offering esports or social games can apply for registration. Details required include game model and category, recreational or education, for example, target age group, revenue system, user safety features, and grievance mechanisms. Approved providers will get a 5-year certificate of registration. Any major change in design or revenue model must be reported. A 3-tier grievance system will handle user complaints, first by the game provider, then the grievance appellate committee, and finally the OGAI, with all pending pre-ban user funds to be refunded within 180 days. The authority has civil court-like powers. It can summon company representatives, inspect records, and impose fines. Unpaid penalties can be recovered like land revenue dues. Analysts say the new framework could curb gambling risks while making India a safer, more structured market for global investors in esports and legitimate gaming startups.